That's what I thought you said. Now let me offer this as a rebuttal.
What is up, guys? Today is a new video, brand new day. So today we're gonna do SpongeBob. The Rehydrated is new. I think that people will actually like playing that game, to be honest. But this is gonna be real simple. I'm gonna try to make a daily upload of tutorials. Just make this daily on and on. Is going in the description and download the link. Raccoons, please. SpongeBob file. Once that's done installing, what you want to do is extract it.
I be killing shit just like I'm hell. I said like I talk to the devil and he have Balenciaga. Boy, you know I'm shitting on that fit. Look at these Prada jumps. People around me switching up, they looking like some Autobots with 27.
What you want to do is open up the SpongeBob folder. Go to SpongeBob bfbbr.exe file. Run it, and it should be all good. You can run it as administrator or just click on it.
I face it up like I'm light, bitch. Makes a virgin with a night kicks. Got me spiders in my Sprite, bitch. Nice kid, I don't fight shit. I got all this Rick on me, like where the fuck is Morty? Told that bitch to get up on me, she cannot afford me. Drink a couple boosies with my bros, we sippin' 40s. Got the ruby red, my jealous bitch. I'm savage, Galador. Whoa, ay, I ain't even wanna smash on that bitch. I just hit it once and vanished. 7 casp on that bitch. Spin a bag on my fit, like your dad in my pics. And I'm icy as a bitch. I look like Raph to the lich. Ay, started talking shit because they see that I'm ballin'. I'm flexing harder than the Asians that you see at your college. I'm yelling free my brother gay because he know that I'm solid. I got a couple thousand plays and all my exes keep calling. I said off-white tee with the cranberry mom shorts. Homies pull up with the sticks like they just came from Hogwarts. Tennis racket in my hand, you know that I'm a baller. Smoking on that jet like Jesus Christ Almighty Father. Let my pistol dump on him, you think I had a poop fetish. About to blow myself up, you would think I got like 2 Reddits. I be getting wild like FaZe Clan when they post new edits. Recon Armor Halo 3, you know that I'ma stay flex. Looking like a ninja sword, I stay in the cut. Told that bitch I'm Guy Fieri and she turned to a slut. Ay, my shit go retarded, boy, I'm screaming fuck a chromosome. I just drank a double cup of NyQuil, about to overdose. And I'm making music, fucking thoughts and eating Toblerone. And I still love my idols, shot to Darius and Post Malone. Yeah, ay. Okay, Chelsea booted up and you know that hoe I selfish. I just want eat this shit to myself cause I am selfish. I'm just meditating, boy, I'm smoking on that loud shit. You was hating on me, now you see I'm fly as hell, bitch. Ooh, I be killing shit just like I'm Helsing. Whoa, I be killing shit just like I'm Helsing. I be killing shit just like I'm Helsing. I be killing shit just like I'm Helsing.